Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare an amortization schedule. An amortization schedule is a data table that you see here. It shows the process of paying off a loan. In general, it is used for mortgages. For each month, the data provides your loan balance, interest charges on your loan, and the amount of principal that you pay off. So we have a question here, and the question is asking us to prepare an amortization schedule for a 30-year, $100,000 fixed-rate mortgage at the nominal annual rate of 6% with monthly payments. So since the question is asking you monthly payments, so you have to convert every single annual data to monthly data. Let's start with the loan. So the loan is $100,000, right here, $100,000. So it's going to be in the first input cell. So my yellow cells are going to be my input cells. So in order to have these commas and dots, so you might need to just click this comma style, and you can decrease or increase the number of decimals from this small button here. So monthly interest is going to be like right here equal is going to be 6%, which is our annual rate, divided by 12 months. So it gives you a monthly rate. In order to get like 0.5%, you might not see the exact number on your computers. So just click the percentage sign here. It converts your data to percentages, and you can increase decimals. Number of months is going to be 30 year times 12. It gives you 360 months, and the monthly payment is going to be calculated by using Pmt function, equal Pmt, which shows payment. So when you write equal Pmt and open the parentheses, it asks you a couple of inputs. The first one is rate, which is going to be monthly rate, so you have to select the monthly rate that you already calculated, and then comma number of periods, 360, which is in C6, and then comma PV. PV is the present value of your loan, which is $100,000. So please select the loan balance, which is a minus sign, because if you don't put a minus sign, you're gonna get a negative payments. Okay, so select minus C4 in my cell. So when you click enter, you calculated your monthly payments as $599.55. And then you can start preparing your amortization table by writing the first beginning balance. So your loan starts with $100,000 as a beginning balance. And then your monthly payments is going to be exactly $599. So you have to select that cell with F4 function. So when you click F4 function, it just like puts $ in front of C and in front of 7. It makes your cell, the variable in the cell, constant. Okay, because I'm going to drag and drop this. I don't want it to change. So it's going to be $599 for every single month. And then interest payment is going to be your beginning balance times the interest, monthly interest that you already calculated at C5 cell. Again, put a $ in front of C and 5 because the interest rate is going to be fixed. I'm not going to change it. And then enter principal payment. So in amortization table, you already calculated the monthly payments, which is $599.55. So some portion of this monthly payment is going to be your interest payment, which is $500 in the first month, and then the rest is going to be deducted from your mortgage balance. Okay, so $599 minus interest payment is going to be deducted from your principal. In this case, it is $99.55. So if this is deducted from your beginning balance, let's deduct it, let's subtract it. So beginning balance minus principal payment, $99, gives you the ending balance of your loan in the first month. So in the second month, you are going to start with this ending balance. Okay, so the ending balance of the first month is always equal to the beginning balance of the second month, and vice versa. So monthly payment. So if we are done with this up to here, if you are still with me, we are basically done. We have finished everything. What you need to do is just like double click here, bottom right of every single cell, which is equal to dragging and dropping. Just double click every single cell, and basically you are done. So now we populated every single cell. In order to make sure, in order to double check if you are correct or not, just scroll all the way down to the last row and make sure the number in the last row, like the far right cell, bottom right cell of your amortization schedule must be 0. So if it is 0, you paid off all your loan. Okay. If it is not 0, so probably you made some mistake somewhere in your schedule. So basically we are done. So this schedule shows you for every single month what is your loan balance. Say for example in the 4th month my loan balance is this, okay, and then in the 4th month I paid this amount of interest, this amount of principal, and my loan balance at the end of the 4th month is provided at the last column. So this is, I prepared this table for a loan of $100,000 and 6% annual interest rate. So you can basically change everything here except number of months, because for the number of months I prepared the table with 360 rows. So if you change the number of years, you have to add or subtract new rows. But for the others, you can change the loan from $100,000 to $200,000. Everything will change automatically. So for the $200,000 mortgage, so this is going to be the result. Or you can basically change the interest rate too. So if it is not 6%, if it's 5%, what you need to just do is change it, the input parameter from here. So this table is very useful for following your mortgages. I hope it helps you in your daily life.